to Sunday. Today's Sunday, and I did say on my Instagram the other day that I felt like doing a bit of like a cleaning and planning day today, and I asked if I should film it, and so many of you said yes. So here we are. I need to get in and just do a bit of like a house clean. I don't need to do a proper deep clean like my cleaning videos, but you know, just enough to tidy it up and feel fresh for the week. I gotta like make my bed, kind of tidy up my room, kitchen, and a load of washing has just finished, and I need to hang that out and actually fold and put away 2 clothes racks worth of clothes as well. And then I need to do a little bit of planning, so I thought I would do that. I've got to get groceries this afternoon. That's a must-have. I feel like this is the first week in a really long time that I've had like lots of like good positive energy, and I'm like optimistic for a really good week. So I thought I would get in and share with you organizing my week, or getting prepared for the week if you will. Before I start though, I do have a question. We are almost at 2021. And 2020 has been like the worst year ever, and I've learned a lot, and I'm actually starting to feel really excited for the new year, like that classic sort of November, December, new year, new me kind of stuff. And I've been doing it for years on my channel, and I have plenty of videos planned out, but I was just wondering, is anyone else feeling like that, or has 2020 just kind of like killed your mood and just has kind of ruined everything? Like 2021 is probably not going to be much better than 2020. I mean, fingers crossed it is, but I'm feeling optimistic, I'm feeling hopeful, and I'm feeling good for the new year. So let me know what your thoughts are about the new year and what you're thinking, but I'm feeling good about it, so I'm gonna make some like 2021 New Year's videos in the next month or 2. So yeah, that's the question I wanted to ask you. I'm gonna go and do my clothes washing. Washing is done. I've been watching New Girl. I need to go into my bedroom and make my bed, and I think that's kind of it. I don't think there's much else to do in here. I probably should put my tripod away, but it's been pretty clean in here all week actually. Room is done. My little flowers are almost dead. There's still this one here, they're going real strong, but I'm gonna leave them there for a little bit longer because I kind of tend to throw my flowers out once they're completely dried, and if they dry well enough, I will actually then use them. And I think these ones are actually kind of drying quite nicely. Like I think I can use them. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So that's what I like to do. My pillows are annoying me. I feel like I need bigger European pillows because these cases are really, really massive. And I've also had a lot of questions about this amazing bedspread. Like, it doesn't even look even. I'm so fussy. Not that it really matters. If I were taking photos, I would be like super fussy with how my pillows sit. But this bed is from, the bedding I mean, is from Bed Bath & Table. I think it's the Navara range or whatever, but it's beautiful. I'm actually thinking I was gonna get colored cushions, but I'm thinking I might just get some Christmas cushions just to make it like a little festive in here because we're getting close to Christmas. Next up, I want to tidy up my living room. I've got a lot of threads everywhere because I've been cross stitching. My little cross stitch is up here. I like to do it like with this cushion on my lap. This is my whale. I am so close to being done. There's just a few little spots here and along the edges that need to be done, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna, you know, put all this stuff away, and you know, honestly, half of these threads I just don't even need anyway, so I might as well put them away. Living room is done. I do have to clean up the kitchen just a little bit. I need to wipe down the bench, do these dishes, and then also put these dishes away. I just thought I would mention too how cute is my new little deer mug that I got from Kohl's the other day. I just think he is the cutest. kitchen is done. I completely forgot what I was doing and I forgot to put away the dishes that were already dry. So now I have a massive stack of dishes that I'll have to put away later, but that's fine. So just another thing to tick off my to-do list. I think I should go and get groceries now. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores, and it is the platform that I have used to create my website. If you are looking to maybe create a blog or an online store or even create a website for a business that you already own, then I would definitely recommend checking out Squarespace. They have a great range of templates that you can start with so you can get a feel for how your website will look, and then from there you can customize it to suit your needs. They also have a really great range of tools and help guides to help you navigate and understand how the platform works and achieve things like connecting all of your social media accounts. If you are interested in starting a website, then head to squarespace.com and start a free trial, and when you are ready to launch, you can click the link in the description or use my code to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. I'm back. I have groceries. I even got some fresh flowers. This is the first kind of big shop I've done in a while, so I finally have food. This is great. Okay, I'm gonna do a little grocery haul for you. So I've got fresh flowers. There's a couple of pink ones in there, which I think will look really nice. I have an avocado, some asparagus, some tomatoes, pizza bases. I've not made pizzas in so long. I got some pizza cheese, salmon, some beef, some salami, pastrami, spring onions. I also have like an Asian style salad mix, and then I have some baby spinach, 2 punnets of strawberries. I decided to get a watermelon. I've not had watermelon in ages and it's just so summery at the moment, and I thought watermelon and also pineapple would be perfect for making some fruit salads between like strawberries, watermelon, pineapple, like my favorites. So that's my grocery shop. I feel like I might be forgetting something, but I really don't think I am. I'm pretty sure I've got enough here to make quite a few meals out of and get me through the week. So this is my little bunch. I'm pretty happy with it. There's not as many pink flowers in there as I thought there was, but it's so cute. Why am I obsessed with fresh flowers? It just makes everything better having fresh flowers. I know my bedside table is probably the strangest place to keep fresh flowers, but I just really like them in here. I don't really know where else I would put them in the living room or anything like that. I guess I could put them next to the TV, but I just like them in here. I think they're nice. I like them. I like to wake up to them. I need to sit down and do some planning. So I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea and then set myself up at my desk. Oops, I definitely need to move the tea bag around because it's looking very milky. I like to have, I don't know what this is, super strong, extra strong. What is this? Tetley tea. I just like black tea, but I like to put like a splash of milk in there. There's probably too much hot water in there, so it's gonna be hot for a while. And I actually just opened my journal to do a journal page. Like, I don't journal every day, but I just had the urge to do it, so I'm gonna write down some of my thoughts. I love journaling. I don't think it's something that you need to do every day. It's whenever you need to. It's just nice to have a diary. I started this in January and it's really cool to be able to look back on basically my whole 2020. Well, this year has been an absolute disaster. All my thoughts, my feelings, it's all in there, and I think that's really cool. So I guess, you know what, that's kind of the first part of planning is I have a journal. I like a physical journal and I love notebooks, and yeah, just looking at this page with my cup of tea is making me feel really motivated right now. So I'm gonna do some journaling. Okay, Okay, it's time to plan out my week. I'm using my weekly planner. This is a planner that I designed. I also have a daily planner and a monthly planner as well, and this is them printed out, so you can print them out or you can use them digitally as well. I use GoodNotes with my planner, and so I've imported the PDF and I have already highlighted all of the headings, which you can do with one of the highlighting tools in the toolbar. The first thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to fill in the date. I have like a little mini calendar where you can fill in the days of the week and then write the date underneath. So I've made a few changes. As you can see, I've made all the headings a really pretty blue color, and then I've also written in all the dates and then highlighted the current week that it is. I did it on my printout version as well, and as you can see, I've just highlighted the week as well, and I think it looks really cute. I'm also going to pop in some things that I know I have to do on each of these days, and as things come up in the week, I can put them in as well. Like I know that every Thursday at 8 AM I have a call, and then I'm trying to think what else I've got going on this week. There is a few things, so yeah, I'm going to write in a few dates and try and plan out some of my week. So I have a few things filled in, and I'm just doing it on this piece of paper because it's much easier to see than doing it on the iPad, but I usually do it on the iPad. So I have a few things that I know off the top of my head that I'm doing this week. I'm going to see my brothers tomorrow. I haven't seen them in months because of the pandemic. I need to go to the pharmacy this week. I have an 8 AM call, and I think I might be catching up with some of my girlfriends on Thursday, and then I'm going to go and see Crystal at some point. I think it's going to be from Friday till Sunday. Not 100% sure, but it's in there. I also wrote the Thursday call as being one of my top 3 important things for the week because it really is. So there's this little section where you can add in really important stuff, and then groceries. So even though I got groceries today, I just remembered a couple of things that I did forget. Okay, so I've added in a few groceries. I forgot to get pizza sauce. I can't even make pizzas, and I just got all the rest of the ingredients. I need paper towel, I need some pots for some plants because I have a few extra growths in one pot and I need to separate them. I also added getting Christmas stuff sorted as one of my top priorities because I do need to get onto that this week. And of course, there's a lot more stuff going on here, but you know, planners are kind of personal, so there's only so much I can share, but this is kind of an example of how I work with it. You can get really creative. There's also a section here for notes that I sometimes like to use if I just need to jot something down really quickly. And yeah, I can add things in, color code with my highlighters, whatever, but I just like the way that this is set out because it's pretty easy to see and have a clear view of the week ahead. I just remembered a few extra things that I can actually add in as well that you can see. So that's my weekly planner. It makes me feel a little bit better. My absolute favorite part is doing the calendar in the top corner. I'm kind of liking it on the paper. I feel like I switch between paper and digital like all the time, so I might even just keep this one this week and just have it sitting on my desk. Before I go though, I thought I would share my daily planner. So we have all of these sections that I have showed you in other videos before, but I haven't showed you the monthly planner really before. So there's all these little blank squares that you can write in the dates, so you can just use this for any month of the year. There's a section to write in which month it is, some of your top goals for the months, and then again notes. I love just having little sections of notes there on each one of the planners. But yeah, I will have my website listed in the description if you are interested in getting your hands on these planners, but that is basically how I plan out my week. So that's my Sunday of doing a bit of a tidy up around here. I like to kind of go into the week feeling a little bit fresh, and then also, you know, planning out my week and how I use my weekly planner. I'm gonna go back and do a few more things that I like a little bit more personal and I don't share with everybody, but that was kind of, you know, the rough idea of how I use it. So I'm gonna go do some color coding and write a few more things out. And I think this afternoon I'm actually gonna go for a walk, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. That's gonna be the end of my Sunday. My hair is really dirty and I want to start the week with nice fresh hair. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. It's kind of like a Sunday routine, but just Sunday clean with me and plan with me and get groceries and run errands. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. At the top you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I will leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.